Okay, let's see if we can do this. I've had to replace the light in this Buick um, uh, a dozen times now, so let's see how fast I can do it. We're going to start the stopwatch. I think right now it's about, um, looks like, let's see if we can get it done before the top of the hour. Okay, so I got my replacement light here. Couple of pry tools and a 10 millimeter. So let's go to it. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to pop these out. You can get by without doing this, but it makes your life easier, so I'm just going to do it. Set that aside. And here again, we've got a couple more of these guys. You can get by without it, but it makes your life easier and you don't have to worry about breaking anything. So we're just going to do that since we have the tools to do it. Okay. And what that does is that allows this to come out here so you don't have to worry about breaking it. You'll see in a second. So now, in order to get this guy off, we can't reach in here and get the light in. That's the problem. Very, very poor design. You cannot, there's no room in here to get the cover off and replace the light. So we just have to take one 10 millimeter screw out and we have to lift up on this guy and lift up on that guy, and then this loosens this whole thing up so that it comes out. And I just rest it so that the pin is up against here. It holds it out there for me so I don't have to. Now I can get in here and remove this. It's still not easy. So remove the cover and then reach in here and rotate the light socket, pull it out. And take the old bulb out. Put the new bulb in. Try not to touch it with your fingers, get oil on it. Push it in there and rotate a quarter of a turn in order to get it back in. I didn't get back in quite straight. So this is the most difficult part of it, just because at least on this side of the car I have to use my left hand. Okay, got it back in. It's going up and down now. So I can put the cover back on. I suppose I should try it first, make sure it works. Oh yeah, there we go. Beautiful. I know, it's all frosted. That's the next project. Clean that guy up. Okay. That cap's back on. Now we're going to put it back together. Put it back together here. Line this guy up. Line this guy up. Push it in. Lock it down. Lock that down. Now we're going to put all the pieces back together. These go in here. These go in here. Take our cover on. That back in. Okay, one more screw left. 10 millimeter. Oh no. Well, if we add, let's check our clock. We did it before the clock struck midnight. So let's see if that includes the time to fish out the socket that dropped in there. Other than that, I think I'm good. Thanks for watching.